The most impressive performance was a cryptocurrency, then Cardano is most likely to be the mascot of the brand with all the crashes that the crypto market's seen over time. Most of the younger currencies have faded out of existence as they were unable to recover or have crashed hard. For Cardano ADA, on the other hand, it has consistently recovered from every crash so far. Today we're going to be talking about what the possible outcome would be if you invested $1,000 into the coin. Stick around until the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss out on finding out if investing $1,000 right now in Cardano is guaranteed to make you rich. Hello guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Globe. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification so that you won't miss a single video we upload. The question on everyone's mind is, will a huge investment in ADA make everyone rich? Well, here is what we have been able to figure out about the future of the coin and what it promises early adopters. We will go right out to say that Cardano could make you rich in the long run with emphasis on HUD. There are solid reasons to back the fact that ADA is worth investing in. According to some experts, Cardano is likely to go as high as $3 by the time 2021 runs out and may keep rising until it hits the $10 to $15 range in 2025. Furthermore, after considering the performance of this coin in its infant stages, experts have said that it is in the running for a $100 price in the long run. One of the biggest pointers to this fact is that it's a younger brother to Ethereum. However, Cardano still stands to offer a lot more than he would get from Ether. Ethereum runs on a closed system operation with very few options and a lot of technical hurdles to scale. However, with Cardano, the creators have worked on building a decentralized network. In summary, you don't need a PhD in cryptography to navigate the Cardano ecosystem. If Cardano manages to push all the right buttons, it may build a solid user base faster than anything the market's ever seen, coupled with all the predictions that we've seen since its creation in 2017. One thing that we need to keep in mind though is that Cardano has the potential to challenge its big brother Ethereum. Anyone who knows even the slightest thing about crypto would also know that either one of these things is equally possible as an outcome. Presently, Cardano's worth about $1.41. So if you buy $1,000 in Cardano, you are most likely going to get about 709 Cardano, because $1,000 divided by 1.41 is 709.220. Sounds good so far. So if you invest $1,000 now, you're gonna be getting a return of 709 Cardano. Cardano's a very strong fundamental-based crypto. This means that if you invest $1,000 right now in Cardano, you're likely gonna get 100 times or 1,000 times the value in the coming years. If you invested $1,000 in Cardano a year ago, you're likely gonna have generated a very high return on investment as we speak. In fact, sources claimed that $1,000 bought in Cardano as of June 8, 2020 will be worth $18,000 today. According to some analysis, by mid-2021 the Cardano price is going to rise to $1.70, an increase above $3 in the last quarter of 2023, and continue trading above this price level with the support level of $5 through 2024 and 2025. Analysis also compiled a research report where it stated that Cardano is likely to trade near the $10 price level by the end of 2025, meaning that in 2025 Cardano would have risen up between $5 and the $20 mark. Therefore, an investment of $1,000 is likely to yield a return of about 5 times what was invested in 5 years. On the other hand, investors are pleased with the way Cardano is growing and keeps showing their support in various ways. If Cardano continues to grow at this rate, what we expect to see in the near future is undeniably quite predictable. So far, no complaints whatsoever have been gotten from the investors of Cardano. Well, that is expected, seeing as Cardano is the only cryptocurrency with a considerable increase in price since the start of 2021. As we said earlier, experts speculate that the Cardano is likely to reach the $3 mark before the year runs out. Interestingly, it's also likely to reach the $5 mark by 2022. What it means is that by 2022 an investor of $1,000 will be getting $2,500. That is a huge profit, because some experts say that even if $1,000 were invested in the stock market, it would take approximately 8 years to get the same amount of profit. Fundamentals even say that Cardano is likely to reach the $10 mark, because its market capitalization is definitely something to write home about. Many people have speculated in the crypto market that Cardano might even reach the 1 trillion market capitalization rate. Again, what this means is that if you invest $1,000 right now, you are guaranteed to be a millionaire. The rate at which the Cardano grows remains a wonder. As a result, many speculations have been made that Cardano will dominate in the crypto world. At the moment, about $31 billion worth of Cardano, which is equivalent to 71% of Cardano's total supply, is being staked. Researchers showed that the staking took place in about 2,671 staking pools. Analysts believe that this is one of the reasons that Cardano ADA is growing at an unimaginable pace. In the same research, it was revealed that the total number of stake addresses has gone up by about 11%, which is equivalent to about 650,000 stake addresses. Of course, the most popular reason people venture into the crypto space is as a result of how much profit they stand to gain. However, the Cardano ADA is one cryptocurrency with the objective to grow its coin and at the same time its community. However, it has also helped to grow the Cardano network, following the objective of the Cardano ADA to grow its coin. Some analysis suggests that it is likely that Cardano will 10 times. Now, anyone familiar with the crypto market and how its market caps work will know that if Cardano goes up 10 times its value at this point, it might be the end of Ethereum. According to analysis, the Cardano ADA seems to be one coin that embraces change, and the change in this case involves growth, and due to Cardano's low price per coin, many crypto investors find it remarkable and believe that the Cardano ADA will be promising in the long run. If this is the case, it's likely that Cardano will 10 times, even up to about $500 billion in market cap. Interestingly, before some analysis brought up these claims of Cardano dominating the crypto space, Ethereum was speculated to 10 times, up to almost $3 trillion in the market cap. Presently, however, some analysis say that it is more likely for Cardano to 10 times to $500 billion than for Ethereum to 10 times to $3 trillion in market cap. The world's largest digital asset firm, Grayscale, made a press release confirming that Cardano had been added to their portfolio. According to them, they'd sold some of the components to be able to buy Cardano. This step was able to increase the price of Cardano by 1.09% ever since Grayscale announced it. Presently, Cardano is ranked third after Bitcoin and Ethereum. While their market cap might not be at the same level, but their values might just be. Grayscale also put Cardano in the spotlight, a positive one if I might add. The phone management company took to social media to tweet that they plan to give customers access to at least 70% of all cryptocurrencies in the market. As a result, they decided to focus on adding only the best and top cryptos to their portfolio. They also added that they want all their customers to have access to top digital currencies through product offerings, and now Cardano makes up to 4.26% of their digital assets. Right now, it's safe to say that investors are being quite bullish on Cardano. That, as well as so many other reasons, hints to the fact that Cardano will likely dominate the crypto space. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching till the end. Good luck and happy invest.